Good morning, Year 4. This is Mrs. Fletcher-Brown. I'm going to be taking you through our English slides for this week. So last week we began writing our own narrative. We took the traditional fairy tale of Cinderella and we've changed it into a genre of our choosing. And lots of you would have chosen different genres. And you will have completed that plan with your class teachers and your peers in your lessons last week. So it's really important that you have that plan in front of you. If for whatever reason you don't have that plan in front of you, then you'll need to get in contact with your class teacher to make sure that you have a copy or pictures of it, because you're going to need them in today's sessions. So this week is very much about you having the most amount of time possible to begin writing your narrative. We're not going to be doing lots of different activities. The lessons are solely based around you writing your plan into its full story. So today's session, you are going to just begin by writing your story, focusing on the who and the where. So you're going to be introducing your story, so describing the setting and describing those characters that we meet first. Because you won't be in class and you won't be with your teacher, you won't be able to see the shared writing. So what I'd like you to really focus on today is ensuring that your punctuation is accurate. That means ending every sentence with either a full stop or an exclamation mark or a question mark if it's a question. Beginning each sentence with a capital letter and making sure that all of your proper nouns, that means all of your characters' names and your personal pronouns, begin with a capital letter as well. So that's what I want you to focus on when you're writing today. Take your time, try to include those similes and those metaphors that we would have discussed in your plans. Try to include your expanded noun phrases as much as possible to add a higher level of description. And I'd also like you to see if you can include some fronted adverbials. So remember that those fronted adverbials basically means that we're describing when something is happening or how something is happening, and we're putting that at the front of our sentence. So instead of the sun rose in the sky, you might have at the break of dawn while the birds were chirping, comma, the sun rose in the sky. And that would be your fronted adverbial. So focus on those things when you're writing those first two sections of your story today. Make sure that you've got each section clearly structured into paragraphs. And when your class teacher reads through this, they're going to give you some really clear feedback that you'll be able to use in tomorrow's lesson. So good luck and have fun with it. Show off what you're capable of, and we can't wait to read it.